Music Theory for ABRSM Grade 1. Lesson 7, Dotted Notes. Dotted notes, that is, notes with a dot after them, and not to be confused with notes that have a dot above or below them, dotted notes are worth 1.5 times the value of the note without the dot, or in other words, half as much again. In this example, the top line contains notes without dots, and the bottom line contains the same note values but with dots added after them. For example, a minim without a dot is worth 2 beats, but a dotted minim is worth 1.5 times as much, or half as much again, which makes 3 beats. In the same way, a dotted crotchet is worth half as much again as a crotchet, or in other words, 1.5 beats. And a dotted quaver is worth half as much again as a quaver. So half of a half is a quarter, and when you add it on to the half, it becomes 3/4. Notice that in all the above examples, the dot is placed exactly after the note head. But if a note is on a line and not a space as in the previous examples, the dot must be placed slightly above the stave line so that it does not become obscured by the line itself. Now let's see what you have learned. At the end of each of these bars, which single note would be added so that there are the correct number of beats in each bar? Each bar should contain 4 beats as shown by the common time signature. In the first bar, there should be a dotted minim. In the second bar, there should be a dotted crotchet. In the third bar, there should be another dotted minim. In the fourth bar, there should be a crotchet. In the fifth bar, there should be a quaver. And in the final bar, there should be a semiquaver.